Welcome to Money Mindset Hub, where wealth begins in the mind. Is dropshipping dead in 2025, or can you still make money with it? Some people claim dropshipping is too competitive, too expensive, and that only big brands can win now. Others say it's still one of the best online businesses. Low risk, high reward, and no need for inventory. So, what's the truth? In this video, we're going to break it all down. How dropshipping really works in 2025, the pros and cons, what gurus won't tell you, new dropshipping strategies that actually work, and if you should start a dropshipping business or not. By the end, you'll have a clear answer on whether dropshipping is worth your time and money in 2025. Let's dive in. Before we get into the pros, cons, and reality of dropshipping, let's quickly break down how it actually works. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without storing inventory. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. You create an online store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform. 2. You find trending products from suppliers on AliExpress, Zendrop, Spocket, or private suppliers. 3. You list these products on your store with a higher price. 4. A customer places an order on your site. 5. You forward the order to your supplier, who ships it directly to the customer. 6. You keep the profit, the difference between what you charged and what you paid the supplier. Sounds simple, right? Well, here's where things get tricky. First, let's talk about the good stuff. Why dropshipping is still popular in 2025. Why do people love dropshipping? Low startup cost. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. A basic Shopify store and some ad spend can get you in the game. No need to store inventory. No warehouses, no bulk buying, no worrying about shipping. Your supplier handles it all. Work from anywhere. You can run a dropshipping business from your laptop, whether you're at home, at a cafe, or traveling. Scalable business model. Once you find a winning product, you can scale fast with ads and influencers. Wide range of products. You can sell literally anything. Gadgets, beauty products, fitness equipment, home decor, and more. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the harsh truth that most dropshipping gurus won't tell you. Now let's get real. Why do 90% of dropshippers fail? Oversaturation and competition. In 2018, you could sell almost anything and make money. In 2025, everyone knows about dropshipping, so competition is brutal. Slow shipping times. If you use AliExpress, customers might wait 2 to 4 weeks for their order, leading to complaints and refunds. Expensive Facebook and TikTok ads. Running ads is not cheap anymore. If you don't have money for marketing, you won't get sales. Customer service headaches. Many suppliers don't care about quality, and if a product is bad, customers will demand refunds. Guess who pays for that? You. Short-term business model dropshipping stores often rely on trends, meaning most stores don't last long-term. If you go into dropshipping thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme, you will fail. So is dropshipping completely dead? No. But if you want to succeed, you need to do it differently in 2025. Winning strategies for dropshipping in 2025. Sell unique products. Don't sell the same items as everyone else. Find unique problem-solving products that aren't oversaturated. Use faster suppliers. Work with Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, or private suppliers for faster delivery times. Build a real brand. Instead of random products, create a brand with custom packaging, better customer service, and a real website. Leverage free traffic. Instead of relying on paid ads, use TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to get organic traffic. Focus on high-profit products. Stop selling cheap $10 gadgets with $2 profits. Instead, sell premium products with a $20 to $50 profit margin. If you do these things, dropshipping can still be profitable. So, should you start dropshipping? Yes, if you're willing to put in the work, test products, and invest in ads or organic marketing. No, if you're looking for fast, easy money with no effort. Dropshipping is not a passive income business. It requires constant testing, marketing, and optimization. Want me to make a full step-by-step dropshipping tutorial? Comment below, and I'll create one. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think dropshipping is worth it in 2025? Drop a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no BS online business tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.